have HUAWEI P20 Pro and let me show you how to wipe cache partition on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and touch power off again just to confirm the whole operation. Wait until your phone will be completely switched off, and afterwards let's use this combination of keys, power key and volume up. Let's hold down together these two keys. So keep holding both keys. Release power key as soon as HUAWEI logo pops up, and now let's only keep holding the volume up and let's wait for the HUAWEI mode. So this is the HUAWEI mode. Here you can navigate by using both volume keys and confirm options by pressing power button. Let me scroll down to choose the last option, which is wipe cache partition, and press power key to confirm it. The device is formatting the cache files, the phone is erasing all temporary cache files, and as soon as HUAWEI logo pops up again on the screen, let's use volume up to choose reboot system now and press power key to confirm it. The device is simply restarting and booting into a normal mode. Let me wait a couple of seconds. And that's it, now you can unlock your device and start using your smartphone. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.